clipping those ends really helps your hair to grow. Okay, it's time to clip these ends. I don't know how long it's been, but I can tell it's about that time. And it's a full moon. Perfect timing. So I'm just going to separate my hair in sections to make this easier and organized. Here are my hair cutting scissors. They were inexpensive, but I've only used them on my hair, and I've only used them twice. So, and I can't see in this. Just get in the mirror here. So my ends don't really look too bad, and I'm not taking off a lot. I'm going to pull it down first, stretch it out. And about 1/2 inch or so. That's even less than 1/2 inch because my hair is not really that bad. Believe it or not, clipping those ends really helps your hair to grow. I know that's crazy, but it's clipping the dead ends. That's what it is. Not necessarily just clipping your hair off, but clipping the dead ends, because those dead ends will run up through your hair and split your hair and make your hair stay the same length or even shorter. That's why clipping those ends is very important. And if you wonder why certain people's hair is growing so nicely and thick and full all the way to the bottom, they are clipping or not going with their hair very much. I like clipping my ends in my twist. As you see, it's Very simple. And those twists are very small, so you're getting the hair pretty good. Getting all your hair. Quickly. See the difference? Nice clipped ends and frizzy ends. They're not too bad, but they could use a clipping. That's how I do it. And I'm gonna stop talking because I'm watching something anyway. I'm gonna turn it back on.